Good morning. Our college name Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Private ITI. Our trade electrician, session 2021 to 2023. Our project name automatic star delta starter. Myself Shoha Kaur.
Myself Suman Doloi.
Myself Bikram Pramanik.
Myself Arijit Dondopat.
Myself Surajit Maiti.
Myself Sonojit Mondol.
Myself Somnath Singho. Myself Suman Jasu.
Myself Pavitra Maiti.
Myself Ramananda Dok.
Introduction of our project. Starter is a device which is used to start and stop the motor with overload and single phasing protection. Generally, three types of starter are used for three-phase squirrel cage induction motor. That is direct online starter, which is used up to 10 HP motor, star delta starter, which is used to 10 to 25 HP, and auto transformer starter, which is used above 25 HP motor. At the time of starting, the motor rotor is at standstill and the slip is large, which cause the large inrush of armature current, which is 6 to 7 times of full load current. This large current can be damage the stator windings and burn the motor, and also lead to voltage dips on the supply lines. To avoid these unwanted effects, we use star delta or auto transformer starter. Star delta or auto transformer starter are called reduced voltage starter because at starting the motor coils connected in star and get low voltage 1 by root 3 of supply voltage, that is 58%. So in that condition, motor draw the low current from the line and gets low starting torque. After few seconds, the motor coils become connected in delta at about 75% of rated speed. In that condition, all the three coils get the full voltage and draw the more line current. But this time the phase current is 1 by root 3 of line current, which passes through the each coil and the motor run at normal speed. Here we have made auto star delta starter.
Good morning everybody. Special features of our project. Separate power and control supply source. We have used three types of starting interlock, that is control interlock, maintenance interlock and control overload. Rather than we have used local and remote starting push button, local and remote stop push button, specially used positive isolation of control system. Here we have used different type of indication, that is 3-phase power on red, yellow, blue indication, motor is ready for start green indication, motor is running condition red indication, motor is under maintenance blue indication, pre-indication before starting with red flasher. For awareness purpose, before starting the motor we have used audio enhancement system and then hooter with flasher. Different type of measuring instrument, that is voltmeter used to measure supply voltage, that is ammeter used to measure line current when the motor is running condition either star or delta position.
Good morning everybody. In our project we have used proper tools: insulated screwdriver, insulated combination plier, neon tester, wire stripper, mini hacksaw, drill bit. Materials are used: PVC tape, casing, incandescent lamp, holder, buzzer, start push button, wires, single pole MCB, single pole switch, two-way switch, hooter, timer, contactor. Equipments are used: electrical drill machine, measuring instruments are used: ammeter, voltmeter, megar, multimeter.
Good morning. Today we have made automatic star delta starter. So at first the positive isolation is to be unlocked. Now control power and main power is on. Here is the 3-phase power is available here, and 3-phase indication is on. Now control interlock on. Now here is our circuit board is on maintenance condition, and here is the maintenance indication is on. Now mode selector should be is operation mode, and here is the indication is on both remote and local. Now our motor is ready for start. For awareness purpose, we use audio and alarm and the flasher.
সাবধান সরে যান মোটর চালু হচ্ছে সাবধান সরে যান মোটর চালু হচ্ছে होशियार हट जाइए मोटर चालू हो रही है होशियार हट जाइए मोटर चालू हो रही है caution far away off motor is going to start caution far away off motor is going to start
Now start the motor. Now the motor coils become connected in start position and get low voltage. All the lamps glow dims. After 10 seconds at about 75% of rated speed, the motor coils become connected in delta and all the lamps glow full voltage and the motor running at normal speed. Now we can stop the motor both local and remote. Any kind of fault, that is overload, maintenance or control interlock position. But here is a 3-phase power indication is on and 3-phase power is available here, but the motor cannot be start. Next, specially we have introduced the bypass system to check our control circuit, either control circuit or our operating system. This time all control interlock mode selector should be maintenance position, overload either off on position, but our system can be operated. First start, the motor start and motor running indication is available here. Now in star connection, after few seconds motor coil is connected in delta. Our system is okay. Now we have introduced the special protection that is called positive isolation. In that case, if we lock the control system with lock, nobody can operate our motor. Even control and power supply is available here. The motor cannot be started. This is used for maintenance protection or ideal protection. That's all our operation. Thank you.
Safety precaution of our project. We have used control interlock, mode selection, control overload, emergency stop, local and remote. For awareness, before starting the motor, we used audio annunciation and hooter with flasher. Positive isolation of control system, danger board, power and control supply, separate installation. Proper earthing of motor control panel.
Our learning, we have used proper tools, materials, equipment, instrument and to make the power and control diagram. Also proper power and control wiring and fault identification of both power and control circuit system.
Our future plan based on this project, reverse and forwards, auto start delta or auto transformer operating system. At last, we like to convey our respect and thanks to our project guides for proper guidance. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, Aid Instructor, DM Sir, SR Sir. Thanks to all.